Hey guys, I'm wondering if you guys can make a line of 3. A line that has a length of 3. Oh, you did it way fast. Good job. Do you think now you could make a square that has a length of 3? How would you make a square? Using these blocks, make a square that has a length of 3. Now, you know this isn't school, right? So you can work together or look at each other, compare your answers and your ideas, however you want to do it. And when you make your square, be sure it's all filled in. Nice work, you guys. Oh, I like how you have your line of 3 and your square of 3 both, but that's just fine. So how many cubes, how many little yellow blocks did it take to make a square that has a length of 3? You want to count them and see? 9 of them. Good job. So 3 turned into a square is 9. Huh. Can you see how 3 turned into a square? This takes 3 and that takes 9, doesn't it? You want a harder one? You think you can make a cube that has a length of 3, a width of 3, and a height of 3? How would you do that? Now Ella made a really cool shape a few minutes ago, and it was tall, wasn't it? It's called 3D. It was 3D. It had some height to it. So I want you to make something that has a length of 3, a width of 3, and a height of 3 as well. And be sure to fill it all the way in, so we don't want a hollow bit all filled in. Oh, good. Got a good start there. I love how you guys both approached it differently. You're building it your own way. How many blocks do you think it's going to take to make a cube with a length of 3?
27.
Oh, how did you figure that out so fast? Did you count them?
I used multiplication.
What did you multiply?
I multiplied 3 times 9.
Oh, how come 3 times 9?
Because if you have 3 rows.
Okay.
So, and when it's flat, you can count, there's 9.
Uh-huh.
And then you can go 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
And you can.
So that's why you did 9 times 3. Cool. Any other way you can think about it? Ella, any thoughts about that? You could count them, right? Once you get them all put up, you could sure count them too, yeah. Or multiply, or could you add? How would you add? What would you add up to figure out how many blocks it takes to make your cube?
So, you would know there's 9 on one, and then you know there's 9 on another one, and on the very top.
Good. So what would you do with 9 and 9 and 9?
You would add it up.
That's right. And you get 27. So here's my question. What do you guys think 9 cubed? Oh, I said that wrong. What do you think 3 cubed is?
3 cubed?
3 squared was 9, because it made a square. 3 cubed is how many?
So 3 cubes?
3 turned into a cube. So you have a cube of length 3 right there in front of you, right? Almost done. Did we run out of blocks? A cube of length 3, and how many blocks did it take?
So if you had 3 cubes, you know each of them would be worth 27 cubes.
Right.
So you could add 27 3 times.
Smart. Very good. And that's exactly right. So if I have a length of 3, how many blocks did it take?
If you have a length of 3, it's going to be 3.
Good. If I have a square that has a length of 3, how many blocks did it take?
9.
And if I have a cube with a length of 3, how many blocks did it take?
27.
Good job.